What's up guys, Tech Eddie here. Very first video, so thank you for watching and welcome. There's a whole lot I want to do with this channel. Super excited to get things started. And this is a video, channel that I wanted to start much earlier, but I just kept putting it off, and there's just been a lot of things that I've received and gotten lately that I've just opened up right away, which I really wanted to do unboxing videos with those. Totally forgot, and then I missed my opportunity. So yeah, maybe we'll do some reviews, product reviews of those later on, but I did just get this guy, and so we'll open them up, we'll unbox it. Let's dive in, let's go. Okay, so let's start off, I guess with the box. I mean, just look at this thing's sick. Just this box alone, packaging alone, makes me want to buy it. I'm a fan of the way they market and I guess take their photos and videos. Just looks clean, looks aesthetically pleasing. So overall, packaging looks good. And yeah, let's cut this thing open. Alrighty. Let's see if I can do this for now. Oh, whoops. Looks like there was one on the back. Well, my plan to not ruin the box just went down the drain. Alrighty. There we go. That is beautiful. Here we go, Vector himself. Ooh. Alrighty, sitting tight. We got another little cord down here. Looks like this is his home base. Oh yeah, that's definitely home base right there. That's where he's gonna go charge. We got his cube that he plays with, and I think it's literally only there for him to play around with, so not sure, maybe I'll have to look into that. And then what else do we got in here? Just like a little owner manual, user manual. All right, sweet. So unboxing, pretty much what's inside is what I expected. I think this is the box I might want to keep. Yep, I kind of ruined that. That's a bummer. I don't know why I like keeping my boxes clean, but it's all good. It happens, right? Did notice, guys, is that I don't think this comes with a block to plug it in. It's just kind of comes with the USB cable. So that's kind of a bummer so far, but I mean, I could just use another one that I have. That's okay, but yeah, that is so far the only thing I've noticed. Let's see if I'll have to look into this and figure out how to use it. But anyways, I'll make another video on, a little review over, I guess, all the different cool things that I will be learning regarding the Anki Vector. That is pretty much it, guys. This is what you're looking at when opening it up. Hopefully, if you guys are interested in getting one, now you kind of get a better idea of what's inside. I am gonna make a second video, kind of going over the different things I learned with Vector, kind of where we're at as far as, I guess, using it. And yeah, kind of go over like a little product review and give little tips and cool things that I've found that you can do with them. So yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching my very first video. So I'm excited for this journey. Hope to see you guys next time. Appreciate it.